Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2597, the number of beautiful subsets, and in this we'll be given an array nums of positive integers and also a positive integer k, and a subset of nums is beautiful if it does not contain two integers with an absolute difference equal to k, and we have to return the number of non-empty beautiful subsets of the array nums. Okay, and a subset I hope that everyone knows by which can be obtained by deleting some or possibly none elements from the nums. Okay, and for example, if we are having the nums array as 2, 4, 6, so the possible beautiful subsets which are possible are 2, 4, 6 individually, and then 2 and 6 together, because if we'll choose 2 or 4, 2 and 4 as a subset, and then we'll choose 4 and 6 as a subset, that will not be our answer, because the absolute difference between the two elements comes out to be k, that is 2. Okay, so we cannot choose that, so our answer comes out to be 4. And also we have to keep sure that we don't count any non-empty subsets. Okay, so for that what we will be doing is we'll be firstly needing to sort the array, that is array, we'll be using arrays.sort nums, and then we'll be returning a, let's say, find number of beautiful subsets as our function number of beautiful subsets. Okay, and in this we'll be having to pass a nums array, my k and my starting index. Okay, I'll just shift, I'll be passing my starting index first, then I'll be passing my key, and then I'll be passing a hash set. Okay, why we need this set is because we'll be as we'll be generating the subset, what we'll be doing is we'll be keep on adding the elements into the hash set. So at any point of time we find that if my nums I plus k is present in the set, or nums I minus k is present in the set, we cannot take that element because that will ruin the condition for the beautiful subsets. Alright, so we'll just keep a track like which elements are visited and which are not. Okay, so we'll be writing a private function which will be returning an int value. Let's copy this function's name, and here we'll be passing the parameters nums array, my index, my k, and my hash set. Let's call it a set of integer, that will be let's call it visited. Okay, and now what we'll be doing is I'll be checking that if my index is equal to the length of the nums, then what I'll be checking is I'll be returning that if my visited is empty, then I'll be returning a 0, else I'll be returning a 1. Okay, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be having my count variable which will be basically my answer variable as well. Count, here I'll be passing calling the function again with nums. I'll be increasing my index, my k, and my set as it is, that is my visited set. Okay, and then what I'll be checking is that I'll be returning if my if my visited contains, if visited dot contains my nums I minus k. As I have sorted, so I don't need to have to check the plus condition. Okay, I'll be just checking this, and in that case I'll be returning my count variable. Okay, and now what I'll be doing is otherwise I'll be adding it to my set, that's visited dot add my nums I. Okay, and then I'll be calling the count, I'll be adding my result to the count again by calling this function again, count find number of beautiful subsets with nums, my index plus 1, my k, and my visited. Okay, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be removing it from the set, so visited dot remove my nums I. Okay, and at the end I'll be returning my count variable. Okay, now let's give it a quick run. I hope it will be accepted. Okay, so nums int, sorry, nums I guess I've written I at many places, I'll just do int. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, yeah, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.